Hi guys, and welcome back to the Trusty Car Products YouTube channel. I am Andy from Trusty Car Products, and I'm just going to apologise straight off the bat. I have been battling man flu all weekend, so if I do sound a little worse for wear or suddenly have to run off having a coughing fit, I do apologise in advance. We're back with another unboxing video of the latest Becauseracecarbox. We're also delighted to say that we now have teamed up with the team at Becauseracecarbox on a more long-term basis. So we're going to be looking each month at their boxes, the products they contain, talking a bit about those, and it gives us an opportunity as a detailing review service to get some products that we might not even know exist land on our doorstep and give them a trial for you guys and for you to check out our reviews of. Right then, let's have a look what this month's box actually contains. We haven't had a look ourselves. We've literally just broken the tape seconds ago, so we will be as new to this as you guys, as you can see by the bubble wrap, because we wouldn't ever be able to put it back in that neatly. Let's have a quick scan. Straight away, I can see this looks nice and full. I can see something that I actually recognise in here. What's this? Don't think I'll bother with these, to be honest. No, we much appreciate the guys sticking one of our flyers into their boxes this month. Like I said at the start of the video, we have teamed up with Becauseracecarbox, so they have very kindly put in one of our flyers that explains a little bit more about the review service we offer for all of the subscribers that had a box land on their door this month. So we do really appreciate that, guys, so thanks for sticking that in for us. Alright, let's have a look what we got product wise. Straight away I can see we've got a nice large bottle from the Auto Alexa team. We actually bumped into these guys at Waxstock this year, where we acquired their shampoo, which I believe was called Paragon, which was a natural products car shampoo, and we were very impressed with that. We also have their glass cleaner as well, which I can't off the top of my head remember the actual name of that, but again, the glass cleaner was a very good product. Here we have Illuminate, their interior detailer. It's a new product to us, we haven't used this yet. So if it's anything like the other ones that we've used previously from the Auto Alexa team, this should be a very good product indeed. It's a nice generous bottle to receive in the box as well, 250ml size bottle there. Okay, so next in the box we can see we've also got another generously sized sample in the box this month from the team at Mint. I was actually having a good look at this brand the other day. I was on their website, which I believe is, yes it is on the label, www.keepitmint.co.uk. Look like a very interesting brand actually, so we are very keen to try this shampoo, and hopefully we'll be able to try a few more products from the team at Mint over the coming weeks and months, because they do look a very sort of quirky and original brand, so we are keen to try those. So we'll feed back accordingly. Okay, the final bottle of product we've got in the race car box is Futurama by Dodo Juice. Now I'm a very experienced user of Dodo Juice. I've been using their products for years, and Futurama is an absolute banger of a product. It is a spray sealant, a nano spray sealant, which you can apply wet or dry to cars. So you can literally finish your wash process, rinse the car down and just mist it over panels while it's still wet, and it'll sheet and bead the water away like anything in the last several months. Or you can apply it like a quick detailer type approach when the car's drying inside. Either way, it is a really good paint sealant, and it does leave a really nice sort of wet look glow on your paint rather as well. So a really good product to get in the box, that as well. So I'm pretty certain everyone who uses that this month will really enjoy that. Okay, so that's actual products aside. We've now got all the accessories that the Racecarbox team kindly provide, which is great because it means you've got everything ready to go to use the products that they've sent to sample. So you've got a microfiber applicator pad here. You could use that for the Auto Alexa Illuminate on the interior to apply it. You could also use it potentially for the Futurama to spread it over the panel once you've misted it. You've got a low pile GSM microfiber cloth, got the word for these things then, which is great for the removal obviously of the Futurama or the Illuminate. Pair of gloves to keep your hands warm and clean while doing so, and a couple of nice decals and stickers from the Racecarbox team themselves, from Mint Car Care, and a nice little air freshener for the car as always from the team. So again, another great box, and some very interesting products by the look of it. So thank you once again everyone for tuning into another Trusty Car Products YouTube video and another of our unboxing videos in association with Becauseracecarbox. Like we said at the start of the video, we are going to be doing this as a regular ongoing feature, so I hope you enjoy the videos. We very much enjoy working with the guys there, they seem a great bunch of people. We'll continue to talk through the different products that they kindly put into their boxes each month, and then go on to review said products and give you our thoughts on them. So make sure you check out the Becauseracecarbox team. You can subscribe to them as a monthly service. You receive these boxes direct to your door, allowing you to try different products, allowing you to try things that you probably wouldn't even know necessarily exist or haven't tried before. So I'll put the link in the description under the video, so you can click onto that and subscribe if you wish to. Please also like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, Trusted Car Products. We do appreciate literally every little bit of feedback that we get, and we hope to see you again soon.